UP wants toll fees waived until the Bogwalk Gorges reopened. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Carrie Simpson. Also this evening, Fire Chief says gruesome crashes taking a mental toll on firefighters. And Joint Police Military teams seize ammunition hidden in the Mandeville Bus Park. There's also Saturday sports and weather in this newscast, so please stay with us. I'll have the details right after this break.